So I saw this Reddit post. Last night I responded to a code stroke. Nice little old lady with a UTI confused for 3 days per family. Why was it called? Turns out family rolled into triage proclaiming that mom is having a stroke after reaching this diagnosis with the help of the venerable Dr. ChatGPT. Yep, the chatbot told them her symptoms were probably due to a stroke. Surprise, it wasn't a stroke. Then I gotta explain why this diagnosis they're dead sold on is plain incorrect. Some people worry about a dark dystopian future of AI. I'm more concerned with the overzealous application of underdeveloped technology for roles it clearly isn't yet fit to fill. Anyone else getting consults from Dr. AI? This brings up an interesting question regarding AI and medicine and if they can replace doctors. Such is probably the worry for many jobs. iRobot, anyone? But are we close to that reality? A recent study was published on BMJ looking at this question. It was a study done in Sweden where basically doctors were put up against GPT-4 with examination questions. The results. Doctors scored higher than GPT with a p-score of less than 0.05, indicating that the difference in score is statistically significant. Ultimately, this sheds light that AI technology isn't quite there to replace a human being with years of training. However, I feel this study and scenario brings up another issue: the use of internet to diagnose medical issues. While jokes do get made on WebMD, there doesn't seem to be enough emphasis that really if there are medical questions, then people should be encouraged to seek out their doctor and not some random person or article on the internet. Of course, this also ties into another issue, that being the cost of seeing a doctor, but that is a different discussion for a different day. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you may have that I can look into. Also, what are your thoughts regarding AI? Comment below.